In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to plans in Stack. This is an important feature that will help you better organize and categorize your projects, making it easier to track and manage different elements within your work. Let's dive into the process so you can streamline your workflow and add an extra layer of organization. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Stack login page. Open your web browser and enter the Stack URL to bring up the login interface. You should see a prompt to enter your credentials. Now here's a time-saving tip. If you have a Google account linked with your Stack account, you can simply click on the Login with Google button. This option is fantastic for those looking to bypass the manual input of username and password, saving you those precious seconds. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate to your projects. You should see a list or a dashboard depending on the view you have set up. Click on the project where you wish to add tags. This step is crucial because the tagging feature is project-specific, ensuring each project can be uniquely organized according to its own requirements. With your project open, move your attention to the navigation bar and click on Plans and Takeoffs. This section is where we'll be making the relevant edits today. When you access this section, it will display all the plans and associated takeoffs within your project. Browse through and find the specific line item or measurement that requires tagging. This task becomes easier if you have a clear idea of what you need to tag beforehand. Now comes the exciting part, creating a new tag. Look for the plus sign or the option to create new tag and give that a click. It's as simple as that. You'll be directed to an input field where you can type in the name of your new tag. As you're doing this, remember that tags should be concise yet descriptive enough to make future referencing a breeze. For added tracking efficiency, you can also add tag values if necessary. These values could represent quantities, dates, or any other relevant data that might help categorize or identify the tagged items. Once you're happy with the name and any values you've added, go ahead and click Save. This step will finalize the process and apply the tag to the chosen line item or measurement. You should now see your newly created tag under the item, confirming that it has been successfully added. That's it, you've now successfully added a tag to your plans in Stack, making your project management just a little bit more organized and navigable. Don't forget to revisit this feature whenever you have new line items or measurements to categorize. Happy organizing!